So, hello guys, I am Keshav and welcome to KK Blog. So, today I am going to share some tips about what you must take with you to Russia on your first visit. As you all know, you can't take everything with you to Russia due to baggage weight limitation. For a student, it's just 46 kg, 23 kg each, plus 7 kg hand luggage. And you can also take a separate bag for a laptop in which you can keep laptop and other electronic stuff. And I put all these link of these item below in description box, so go and check out to take a benefit of 70 to 90% discount on this product. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will talk about study material. See, in Russia the main subject which are taught during first year of MBBS are anatomy and histology and some basic physics, chemistry and biology. So you can carry that book along with you. And it's better if you people get some register size single notebook, pens and other useful stationery material from India, as it is comparatively more expensive than it is in India. Okay, so let's talk about basic material needed for daily usage. Apron full sleeve. As you know, this is very important, so you have to carry along with you, or you may purchase a prawn here in Russia. It will cost around 1000 ruble. And second point, stethoscope. Yes, this is also very important, so you have to carry this one. And medical mask, gloves and caps. These are few important things that you must carry along with you because it's necessary to wear when you visit cadaver room in first year of MBBS. So without this you can't go inside, so you must carry these things. And because of corona and also for maintaining hygiene, I suggest you should carry a little bottle of sanitizer. Now let's talk about clothing. As you all know, Russia is a very cold country and temperature goes below -35. So you would need woolen clothes over there. I would advise you to purchase jacket and boots from Russia as they are made for very cold environment and also uh, of reasonable rate. So no need to spend a lot money on buying it in India. You can just have a normal jacket, gloves and cap with you. Don't carry too many t-shirts because in Russia and India t-shirt price almost same, so you can buy here. And you can carry a cap to protect your head. And you can take one and two traditional dress for wearing in cultural program conducted in university, and one extra pair of shoe you must carry because when you will go to attend your classes then you have to change your shoe because outside is very dirty due to snow, so it's important. And I will suggest carry sneakers or loafer, whatever you want, but carry weightless shoe for easy to carry in bag. So these all things are important. So now let's talk about medicines. You have to carry some basic medicine along with you because in Russia it's comparatively more expensive than it is in India. And also to avoid visiting Russian pharmaceutical store. If you want to know which basic medicine you need to carry along with you, then you can DM me on Instagram. I will tell you there. Now let's talk about electronic gadget. So I think you all know, like a mobile, laptop, table, lamp, power bank, etc. Now, now let's talk about food material. In some place of Russia, Indian stores are available, but yes, it will cost more that it cost in you in India. So you can take some Indian spices with you depending on whether you are having Indian mess facility available or not. You can take some packed food and snacks like mixture, biscuit, etc. as it won't available there. It is better to buy utensils from Russia itself because it's of fine quality and cost is also affordable and would be reduce your luggage weight. Now let's talk about some extra things. Umbrella. because in summer heavy rainfall in Russia, and it will also help in snowfall, but it's totally up to you to carry, because if you have a space in your trolley, then you can take this, and water bottle you can carry also. Okay, so last but one of the most important tips about currency: do get your ATM card changed to a global or international card from your bank in India, or else it won't work in Russia and you won't be able to take out your money. Would be better if you keep $100 and $200 cash with you for emergency purpose, which you can take change to ruble from any Russian bank like Sberbank. Please don't get your currency changed at airport, as they would charge you more for that. You also don't carry too much currency in the form of dollar. So these are the all important points and some tips about what you must take with you to Russia. I hope you like our video. So thank you so much, and don't forget to check out description box to avail this offer 70 to 90% on all product. Go and check out. And don't forget to like and subscribe.